Gina ba? Let's go. Hello everybody, my name is Degs and welcome back to Outlast 2. It's been a while, I know. Medyo na busy tayo sa mga ganap sa buhay. Well anyway, what happened? Parang wala na ako dito ah. Wait lang. Recordings, hello. Chapters. Ay, hindi ko ba na-save? Wait lang. Anong oras na ba ito? Time check 4:37 ng madaling araw ng maga. Taong pang kasalukuyan. Time check is hatid sa inyo na. Tentais patis. Ang patis na manamis-namis. Huy! Teka lang, parang lagpas na ako dito. Hello? Tambo. Nabisi tayo mga kois, tsaka ibang PC yung gamit natin. Hello? You have battery, bro? Battery? Speaking of battery, how many batteries do we have?
Somebody there will know where they've taken Lynn.
Objective, get to the chopper. I believe that the last time we stopped our gameplay is we need to start the elevator, but right now, if you can hear some hangin nga pala guys, I'm so sorry. Currently I'm near the electric fan. Huy! Tambo. Hello? Masyadong malapit ako sa mga natutulog. So alam nyo na. Hello? What's up with the sound? Hi buddy. You're going to attack me, right? Hello? Hello, Papa Not? Again, kaway-kaway sa mga Papa Not na. Uy. Parang ang hina. Ako lang ba o mahina talaga yung volume. Wait lang nga. Kala nga, adjust lang natin yung volume. Yeah. GG. Perfect. We are at the cost of Armageddon. That doesn't any make sense, bro. Hello? Tampo. What's this? Okay, Sullivan. Papa Ezekiel Liar. Charlatan. Temple to Goat. Addict. Coward. Rapist. Child killer. I am gone, and I have taken with me all with the courage to see those truth. Come after us, hunt us down. We are waiting, eager to murder and fuck everybody you send up to the mountain. I don't hate you. Could Jesus hate the Baptist for being a Jew? I could not have found my blah 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 blah. Anyways. Fucking tired of breathing, bro. Hello? Hello, brother. Oh shit. Alright. Ito na yun eh. Sorry guys kung...
It's up there, isn't it? Oh, fuck. Cut off. You gotta have a generator or something. The fucking thing doesn't run on prayers.
Fuck. Wala ba nakarinig sa akin? Hello? What's our objective?
Get the elevator working again.
Hello? What's up with the shouting? Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Low, 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 low. Should I hide here? No, no, no. Where should I be going? Tapo, 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 tapo. Ah, where should I be going? Bro, to be honest, di ba, mas maganda yung graphics and everything dito sa ano, Outlast 2, pero mas maganda pa rin ang ano, Outlast 1 compare sa gulat and everything. Hello? Can I jump here? Apo. No? Where should I be going? Can I? Alright, I can. Oh shit. Sorry about that, buddy. Oh fuck! I need to run. Fuck you. Hello? You good? I don't think so. I need to go here. Hello? Hello? Generator? Is this it? Hide. Parang pretty ano naman. Masyado man akong kita doon. Hello? Fuck. I don't need that right now. Hello? Alright.
That's gotta be it. If I can find my way back to the elevator.
Fuck you! Fuck that shit. Gulat ako, mother father. So sabi ko, katabi ko pa naman mga tulong. What the fuck? Do I need this right now? Is this my life for now? Hello, shit? Hello? I don't fucking care, bro. Bitch. Ah, fuck. Takbo. Ah, fuck.
What do you want from me?
What do you want from me? You want my butt? You want to touch my butt? Fucker. Hello? Are we safe? Are we good? What's up with this? Okay, so si Papa Nuts, ang first name niya pala is
Temple
Sullivan.
Gate, founded by Sullivan Noth, modern Ezekiel. Their knives sharp for the enemy.
Gagawin lang natin medyo short yung live natin ngayon. Bukas na lang siguro ipagpatuloy yung ano mahaba, no. Anyway, hello. Oh shit, bro. So nasty, yo. God forsake you. What happened? Freaking city. So sorry, ngayon lang kasi tayo nagkaroon ng oras at panahon para mag-live. Hello? Oh shit, bro. It's a fucking game. Habo. Oh fuck, bro. Oh fucking tape. Where should I be going? Hello? Anyone can save me? Baka may jump scare dito, ah. Fucking tape. Fucking I hate this shit. Teka lang. Baka pagalitan na ako ng mga katabi ko. ituloy muna lang natin sa sa susunod na lang. O bukas na lang. Baka magalit yung mga kasama ko sa bahay. Well, anyways, yun lang muna. 10 minutes. 10 minutes na live. Bawi na lang tayo bukas. Quickie lang talaga. Sige, yun lang. Ako po yung lingkod. Diggs TV sa YouTube. Ako po ang yung maligalig na na gamer. Hindi gwapo, hindi cute. Titigan nyo lang, maawa rin kayo. Yun lang po. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.